here's a quick one. Fucked up. So it's much simpler. So, like how you tune like that, you're just doing it on one bar. So, fuck. Can't see my fucking picking hand. So I'm doing the E string, D and G. Just with that. Just the same as this. Picking hand in there, but I can't do it. Maybe if I aim it down a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Barring that, that's all that is. Pull off. This is where I bar. So I'm only barring these two strings. That's kind of rough, but I think you get the point. And then let's start from the beginning. Lift, you can lift for that. I'm sorry. Then this part. Oh yeah, I'm doing alternate picking on that. I probably should say that. Fuck, I fucked that up. Can't even do it right. Of course, I'm palm muting a lot of that, but I'll go over that later. Really, all I wanted to show you was the harmonics. Now, if you see, I'm actually lifting my hand.